What's up everybody? It is very cold, currently minus 25, and we're going to recover a Subaru that went over the bank while doing a little rallying. And just waiting for Denny, grab some gas, and then we're gonna start the 1.5 hour drive to get to him.
Yeah!
Yeah. I mean, at least we won't be too hot. I was worried about sweating too much, so that's good.
Oh yeah, definitely not an issue.
So this guy is actually in a Subaru group that's up to go for a bit of a drive. He was just up checking the road apparently before they do their drive today, and went around a corner, drifted a little bit and went off, said he wasn't going that fast, and he actually wasn't. He sent me a video, so I'll insert that right here.
So definitely check it out, let me know what you think. Show notes at jordanharbinger.com, transcript information in the show notes. Advertisers, discounts, and
and yeah, as you can see, it's just really soft windrows, so nothing was stopping him. Went over, even though he's going pretty slow. So we're gonna go try and get him out. It's probably gonna be minus 30 up there. Hopefully there's not too much damage. He did hit that tree, so we'll get him out, and if there is damage, we'll pull him down the road to where a tow truck can get him, and if not, we'll send him on his way and he can go rallying with the boys. So we got about an hour, hour and a half drive ahead of us, so we'll catch you there. Well, apparently it's the next hairpin.
Oh, we're that close to the car?
I can see why he wanted to rally these roads. They are dialed. There's a Subaru. And there's a Subaru over the bank. Oh, there's a bunch of people. Yeah, that'll do it. Well, at least we'll have some people to block the road. Sweet.
Coming out.
No worries. So yeah, that's a fun road.
Yeah.
It's in great shape.
Yeah, it's in awesome shape, and I was taking it easy last night, but...
I see that. That was weird. Watching the video, I was like, you let off like 50 feet before and it just kept cruising.
Yeah. So I don't know, it was just, I mean, you can see it's a little polished there, but...
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's weird. Cool. Well, we'll pull it out and hopefully it's not too bad.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so he's got a receiver on there. We'll hook onto that. Okay, so I'll back up straight across there. Yeah. If you want to go off the, once you slide in the receiver, and then you can do a soft shackle off the right side of his hitch. Okay. So it's pulling like directly off the frame. I'll take that one. Okay. I'll go straight across if you want to go just that side of me. Okay. And yeah, we'll make it as quick as possible. All right, so we're just gonna throw both Jeeps on because we're not anchoring to any trees behind, so pretty light car, shouldn't be too bad. Grind it till you find it.
Grind it till you find it. It's an auto, it shouldn't grind.
You found it.
It is. Oh, good.
I actually pulled my winch line out yesterday in the shop to thaw it. So I'm hooking to the right side of the hitch receiver. Denny's gonna hook to the center, pull the car away. It's probably gonna go down the bank a little bit straight, and then it'll pull back over straight.
bit smashed. Oh, your hand's not falling off.
We'll have to check the timing belt cover.
Okay, you want to just hop in and I'll pull you back onto the road here? Listen to that thing. It's not happy. Okay.
What's that? It's breathing.
No?
Pretty sure that's coolant on the ground back there.
So the damage is a little worse than we were hoping. Yeah, he's not sure about starting it up. Thinks he sees some coolant.
Yeah, not happening. Belts, if you don't run it. The Mishimoto has become a part of the belts and pulley assembly.
ECA toll it is.
Dang it. Yeah, I can't believe how easily it went through that berm and down the hill with that little of speed.
You know, I think the worst part about dragging this out is it's going to be minus 30 in the car the whole way.
Sure will.
Yes. So if you want to jump in and warm up in another vehicle now, just to prep for that while we figure out, like, that's what I'd do.
Do you have still points on the front?
Yeah, there's 2 tie-down hooks underneath the front. Yeah.
And then we can formulate a plan.
There's those 10-foot, the safety slings on the right, and a soft shackle, put it to his wheel, and I'll just yank him around so we're facing the right way. So we're just gonna, he's facing the wrong direction, we want to pull that way, so we're gonna get him spun around. And then, yeah, he's gonna have to drive it, and doesn't start, or we don't want to start it because there's some bad things happening. So it's gonna be minus 30 in the car for him the whole way down. So that's not ideal, but is what it is. He's facing the right direction. He's got some tow points underneath, so we'll hook a yankum rope up to that and pull him several kilometers.
All right, so this is why ice blocking the hole. Oh, good. Coolant. Fancy coolant. Yeah, camera. Okay, so got Yankums there. And then we're gonna go back to Bruce. That's not gonna be good footage. It's just too cold. Okay. camera.
Hammer number 2.
New fluid that I've been soaked in. It's
Oh, nice.
Nice fancy.
Wonder what kind it is.
It's like a teal kind of cooler.
I haven't had that one yet.
Oh, it's a new color.
Well, he's all hooked up. He's just in a vehicle warming up. Looks like he's on his way. Get the hood shut and drag him out probably 10 or 20 kilometers. Good times. Loading up the gear.
Stay warm.
Oh yeah, pile as much on as you can. Alex is in the car, bundled up, got some moving blankets and other items on him. Danny's got it hooked up, so you want to just follow behind and radio if you see anything.
Will do.
Hopefully he's got some brakes, if not we'll hook you on behind. Alright, I am ready when you are.
Alright, I can't really turn the wheel much, but I'm ready to go.
Yeah, he'll slide and follow me. Slid him sideways a little bit. Should be all right now.
Brakes are a bit iffy, but I've got steering.
Hit the brakes there. Okay, well, something. It's always nice when it's super cool people that you're helping out, just out here trying to have fun, do some drifting in the old Subaru. So some of the ones that we show up to, it's, you know, people who have been drinking all day or just a-holes or something. We come across some weird people, so nice, cool, like-minded people is always welcomed. So far so good. We're almost at the turn down into town. Well, we've made it back to pavement, so anywhere here the tow truck will come and get him. He's just gonna call BCAA and hopefully they can help him out. So we're taking him down a little further so they've got no excuses, get him off the snow and ice, and then he'll yeah, have to put it on a deck truck and take it to a shop, I guess. Well, we made it to a good level spot where it's all plowed, little pullout, so we'll unhook here and BCAA can come and do the rest. Danny's just done hooking, and then we'll probably cruise back a different way, go by Shoot Lake Lodge and do a circle instead of backtracking. Sweet deal. Well, that's about as good as it could go. So
Yeah, smooth.
yeah.
That's it, eh?
Yeah, well, bummer that it's damaged more than,
Yeah, the tree really did number there.
yeah.
Well, I really appreciate
Cool.
you coming down and
Yeah,
help
no
out.
worries.
Yeah,
Glad we could get it out, and
yeah. You guys definitely
sunny day, so.
professional, courteous, and I can't tell you how grateful I am.
Yeah, of course.
I mean,
No
It
problem.
means a lot.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I hope you can still enjoy the rest of your trip. Somewhat, so.
Yeah. I think I'll probably hop in with them and we'll go do the route I was talking
Yeah.
about.
Well, you got my number if anything else happens,
Cool.
so yeah.
Okay, well,
Cool.
Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Thank you so much, Bruce.
All right. Heading back home.